you want to use camera filters on the iPhone 16? Then open camera first, and here in the upper panel tap on the arrow and you will see the square with many white dots. You just need to tap it and here you will find the filters. So just swipe left or right to see all of them, just like that. And let's go back to the standard one. So you can adjust the settings for each of the filters. Here you can also change intensity and you can just drag those white dots anywhere across the screen, just like that, and it will change the color for this filter. You can see how it changes. So you can do just the same for any other filter from the list. And to take a photo, you just need to tap this camera shutter button. And on the top of the screen, you can notice those tone, color and palette settings. So, let's check how each of the filters look. I took these photos earlier before to show you how these filters looks. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.